Hey guys, want to trade meme coins using Fontem wallets? In this video, I will show you how to buy and sell them easily in just few steps. For that, you have to open your Phantom wallet. First, launch the Phantom wallet app and make sure you are connected to the Solven network. Now, in the second step, you have to get some SOL. You will need SOL for transaction. If you don't have any, then you have to buy SOL on exchange like Binance on Coinbase. These kind of apps you can use for buying some SOLs. Then transfer it to your Phantom wallet. Now, in the third step, you have to find the meme coin. Now, go to the Jupiter Exchange in your Phantom browser, search for the meme coin you want, and connect your wallet with it. Now, in the fourth step, buy the meme coin. For buying the meme coin, enter the amount of SOL you want to swap. Check the price and hit the swap. Before hitting the confirm the transaction and wait a few seconds for it to complete. Now, in the fifth step, sell the meme coin. When you are ready to sell, go back to Jupiter or Rhodium, select the meme coin and swipe it back to SOL or USDC. After swiping it to SOL, then confirm the transaction. Now, the last step is to withdraw your profits. If you want to cash out, send SOL or USDC to an exchange. Sell it for fiat and withdraw to your bank account, and that's it. You now know how to buy and sell meme coins using Phantom wallets. If you find this video very helpful, then like the video and subscribe to this channel for more these kind of crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.